Of course, that's not really me. Are you kidding? I can't show you my real face while giving you information like this. Ah, there she is, the car lot. The place where dreams are made and broken all in one day. There are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of vehicles to choose from these days. Different makes, different models. Everything from cars, trucks, vans, SUVs, and a lot more, but you get the point. It can be daunting to even pick the right vehicle. Then you have to go to the dealership and meet your salesperson. Learn all the features on the cars. Make sure and test drive each model you like. Then negotiate numbers with a guy who does this for a living every day. And eventually give in and sign your life away on your new car. You did it. Look at us, Facebook. Everyone's happy now, right? Right? Nah, that's not right. This is when buyer's remorse sets in. We paid too much, our payment's too high, and in some cases, we just bought the wrong car. There's a reason this happened. When you get excited, your brain starts releasing dopamine. This causes a feeling of euphoria, and this is what we like to call being under the ether. It's at this point we know we have you, and all we have to do is play our cards right, because you're gonna buy the car, and we're gonna make all the money. Now don't be embarrassed. This happens to the best of us. You're not the only one. But what if I told you that you could change the outcome of this process? What if I told you you could actually beat the car dealership, all while getting the vehicle you want for the price you want to pay? All you have to do is follow a few simple steps, and you can beat the house, which will not only make you feel better, it's gonna downright make you smile. I'm about to give you all the information you need to turn the tables in your favor, allowing you to see the other side of the card, look at their actual playbook, and know what's about to happen before it does. Follow me on a journey of enlightenment, and I will show you the Car Guy way.